Hello everyone. We have one of the use case for our clients. They have built a report in Power BI. Now they wanted to migrate to Tableau. And the most importantly, they wanted a table, the table visual, which is having icons and bars inside the value. Now the same thing in Power BI, it is very easy to do it, but in Tableau, it is not straightforward. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to Tableau and we're going to replicate the same requirement that we have in Power BI that we are going to implement in Tableau. Now, let's see how to do it. Now, before we do it, I will tell you there are two calculations which I've done. One, I've created a dummy calculated column, which is just I'm taking an average of 0. And the other one, I'm just taking one shape, which is like a profit shape, just to notify that if the profit is less than 0, I'll be giving 1. The profit is greater than 30,000, I'm giving 2. And if the profit is greater than 30,000, I'm giving 3. It's just a condition which I'm giving here. Now, let's see how to achieve this. First, I'll drag the subcategory to this row and making sure that it is visible for you. Now, I will add this dummy column here and I will add the sales column here. Now it become a 2 column and I'll try to go here and I'll try to put dual axis. Now this is what I wanted, but what I will do for the sum of sales, I'll try to change it to bar, and for the aggregated dummy column, what I'll do, I'll try to go with text and I'll simply go and add to the sales to the text value. Now you can change the colors. I'll not give that important to this. Now this is fine. Now I need to add the other one, which is going to be like profit. Now what we can do for profit is, again take the same column, dummy to this column, and now take profit to this here. Now again you can see that there are two things which you can see, and of course again I have to go here and I have to take dual axis. Now I need to put some efforts, a small trick in order to make this as a icon. Now let's do that. First I'll go here, which I will change it to bar, and in fact I'll change this profit to color and I'll adjust this opacity to 0. So what happens, that bar even actually goes up. Now I'll go to this. Now I want a profit where I've actually made the opacity is equal to 0 so that the visual has disappeared. Now in this, what I'll do, I'll simply go and adjust this shape. Now this is a shape, but of course I need a value. I'll go and add profit to this label. Now I've got the label, I've got the shape. Now what I will do, as I said, I've already created one column which will tell me the shape value. If it is less than 0, I'm giving it as 1. If it is greater than 30,000, I'm giving it as 2. I mean, if it is less than 30,000, I'm giving it as 2. And if it is greater than 30,000, I'm giving it as 3. Now what I'll do, I'll add this profit shape to the shape. Now I got some shape, okay, and I'll also add this profit shape to color, which I can adjust the color, whichever color I want. And of course, I'll add this again profit shape to size. Now size, if you just go and see here, you can edit the sizes. So I'll just keep for everything as the same size. So I'll not make much change. So let me keep here and I'll apply it and okay, and I'll adjust the size. Now this looks good. And I'll remove all this. Now, if you observe carefully, now this is what I wanted. There was a requirement for me to convert your Power BI table chart into a Tableau chart with the icons and the bar, which is not straightforward, with a small trick by adjusting the aggregation of one extra column. I've taken the calculated column and then adding the dual axis, and by just playing around, I was able to achieve this. Well, not only this, I can still make some more customize, like I can go and design it in a better way, but I'm showing you that it is easily possible for you to replicate your Power BI table to a Tableau table. Thank you.